Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you a Aari type like a design on your kurta or a kurti. So I have just drawn a branches and stem starting from the shoulder, and now I show you how to sew the stem part. So just pierce the needle exactly at the starting point of the stem, and from this point I'm going to make a chain stitch. So I'm going to give this chain stitch to the entire stem and the branches. So take a little bit of fabric like this and make sure you just insert the thread like this, and you make a nice and beautiful chain like such, and you lock the stitch. Again, at the exact point where you have started, insert the needle in the chain stitch, and you're going to bring the thread, lock the thread inside the needle, and you're going to make another chain stitch like this. Okay, so you're going to start from the exact point of the thread and insert the needle and take very little amount of fabric, and you're going to lock the thread again. So same like this, I'm going to sew my entire stem like this just by adding a chain stitch. So little fabric you're going to take out, and you're going to just lock the needle like this, and you're going to sew it like this. Okay, very simple and easy to make. To make the design, you doesn't need to know the Aari work, so it just looks exactly same like a Aari work, and it is more beautiful and more elegant than Aari, believe me. It's a normal embroidery thread. I just took a 3 strands of the embroidery thread. Usually embroidery thread has a 6 strands of thread together, so I just took only a 3 strands of the embroidery thread, and I'm sewing this like such. So be patient, take your time, little by little you're going to sew the entire stem, and you're going to continue with the branches also. Once the stem is done, you're going to sew the side branches. Okay, so you're going to draw this from the one side of the shoulder. Make sure as like same like how you normally mark your kurti or kurta. So you draw the shoulder, the neckline, everything, and then from the shoulder you're going to draw this stem and the branches. So it doesn't need to be exact stem or exact same like this. You can draw the stem and branches as you like, and you're going to sew that little by little like this. And you can see a small amount of fabric should be taken at a time, and it just looks really absolutely beautiful. Even small kids can do this. Very simple and very easy to make, very interesting project actually speaking. And you're going to sew on the exact line that you have drawn, so that you'll be on track, and you can see the finish in a very beautiful way. So you can see, and this how I'm going to finish off my entire stem. So now I'm going to sew the branches of this, and I'm going to repeat the same chain stitch, and you can see it's very simple, very easy to make, and same stitch is going to come on the branches also. Okay, and you can see one side of the branches is over, and I'm going to do to the next side of the branch, and it just looks really beautiful, very nice. Okay, so same like this I'm going to finish off my all the branches. So once you finish the one side of the branch, you're going to repeat exactly to the next branch. So if you want, you can stop the stitch over that point and you can add some knot and you can bring to the next side, or else you can continue by sewing to the next side also. And now once it's done, you can see I'm just adding a white small very tiny beads to the branches. Okay, so from the starting tip of the branch and on the both sides of the branch, I'm going to add this beads. It just gives a very beautiful look. Okay, and you can see how beautiful it is. So same like this I'm going to sew the beads on the both the sides of the branch. So Aari work would be little bit tough for everyone to do, but this is a very simple and very easy to follow, and even beginners or even small kids also can do this work, because chain stitch is a very basic stitch as everyone can easily understand and everyone can do that. So I just want everyone to give a try, very simple and easy to make. So I'm going to sew this beads on both the sides of the branches like this. So now I'm sewing the beads to the next side of the branch. So I'll be sewing this to all the branches. So now you can see this is going to be the end result, very beautiful design. And you can see I have already drawn the neckline, the armhole and the shoulders, and this is how it looks. Hope you like this video. I just want everyone to give a try over this, very simple, easy to make. And if you like this video and if you want more videos, embroidery videos like this, don't forget to hit on the subscriber button below, and don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button next below this video. See you next time with a different kind of design. Take care. Bye bye.